Pull requests versus merge requests. Introduction.
Pull requests and merge requests are terms used in collaborative software development. Both refer to a process where developers propose changes to a codebase, often before merging into the main project. Understanding their differences helps teams coordinate work more effectively across various code hosting platforms.
What is a pull request?
A pull request is a feature commonly used in platforms like GitHub and Bitbucket. Developers use pull requests to notify others about changes they wish to integrate into a project. Reviewers can discuss, review, and suggest improvements before the changes become part of the main branch.
What is a merge request?
Merge request is the equivalent term used primarily on GitLab. Like a pull request, it allows developers to propose integrating new code. Merge requests also enable discussion, code review, automated checks, and approval processes prior to merging changes into the primary branch.
Key differences explained.
A main difference between pull requests and merge requests lies in their names and the platforms where they are used. Functionally, they serve the same purpose, facilitating code discussion and review before merging. Ultimately, the choice depends on which hosting service your team uses.
When and how to use each.
Use pull requests on platforms like GitHub and Bitbucket, and merge requests on GitLab. Regardless of the name, always create them when you want feedback on your code or need approval before merging. Provide clear descriptions, review suggestions diligently, and collaborate openly for better software quality.
Final tips for collaborative coding.
Pull requests and merge requests foster teamwork and ensure high-quality code. By using these features wisely, writing meaningful comments, and reviewing code carefully, you help build robust, reliable software as a team. Embrace these workflows for smoother, more productive collaborations.